23 million euros in the bank. So, very happy to announce the closing of our Series A growth funding. It took us a while to close, but we wanted to have it right. The right investors, the right amounts, and we even left some money on the table. In the round, we are bringing on board 2 new shareholders, European Circular Bioeconomy Fund from Germany and Ecolab from the US. Grateful for the support from our existing shareholders as well. And just to name one, thank you Itochu. Here we are also opening new collaboration with the Finnish Climate Fund in the round. So what's next? Of course, we are keeping up to our growth targets. Next level being 100 million euros of revenue, launching new products, developing our technologies to the next level and increasing our resources. So, more news to follow. Stay tuned.